Hello friends, this is Annette from Simply Panux. Welcome to another video of me planning with my Hobonichi Weeks. I am excited because I finally am going to be using my planning sticker sheet. I am very excited to be using it. Let's go in. I'm going to be honest with you. I have been using my Hobonichi cousin as my catch-all planner. So I've been finding it hard to see how I can use this planner, but I finally got some items that I want to make sure that I list as part of my self-care, as a way to remind me to take care of myself, and that includes sleep, just anything self-care. Honestly, I did have my happy planner self-care journal, but it is bigger than the Hobonichi Weeks, so I feel like this will be easier to use and fill up, and I won't feel so bad about having empty spaces. So let me get my decorative stickers in, and I'm going to start with the washi strips, and this is just a little easier for me to use. And I designed it to where it covers the letters completely here, and I'm going to do my best and not use, and I really like the way that I made these because I like when the leaves continue like this. I really like that. Okay, perfect. Let me get my Mondays in. It's a little hard with my nails, so let me just get my Monday. I like these stickers because they're easy to just reposition if necessary. And I know this self-care part is going to be easy to just use more stickers than actual writing. Okay, learn to live slow. Ooh, this is definitely going to be on my Monday because guess what? Monday I sleep in. Monday I sleep in. I have to do meal prep. I'll leave it on top, and then to do I do have meal prep here. Meal prep to do. Let's get some cute stickers here. So that's there. So I'm going to go ahead and even it out. Thursday. Yeah, why not? Hold on. How about I use this for my meeting days? So I have, no. Dude, what's going on? Come on. There you go. There is a Wednesday, and then I have a meeting on Sunday afternoon. Why not add a little? Ooh, that's so cute. Okay, and I know I'm going to be reading. I'll leave that there. Oh, these are so cute, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm very proud of this collection. I'm very, very proud of the collection. I like how it turned out. You know what? Maybe I could do this here. I wonder. No. Let's keep the plants on here. So Sundays are slower. So I'll leave that there. I don't like to plan so much for weekends because I keep so busy with volunteer work. I know that's just how it is. So meal prep, I don't like to cook. I don't, guys, but I know I have to because everything's so expensive, and I've heard things are just cheaper if you decide to cook at home. So I'm trying to figure it out. And I use this as a little stamp. I'll use it for Saturday. Ooh, I'm almost done with it. Ooh, I like it. but I do like to cook at least twice. So that's where I was going with that line of conversation. Oh God, sorry guys. I know I interrupt myself a lot. But anyways, I like to cook at least 2 big meals. And by big, I mean quantity wise. Because I'll show you. I'll show you what I mean. Because I don't think I'm understanding myself either. And you know what? I could use these as little tags. Like little check mark tags. There's this. There's that. So there's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Where I'm going to use the last sticker in my sheet. Woo! That's pretty. Oh, you're not gonna see what, you know what? I do have this cream, like whiteout looking thing. So let me put this on the side there. Don't move. And let me see if this will work. It won't look weird. Yes, I think it's gonna work. It's just so it looks cleaner. I'm just whitening it out, and this is like a cream tape, it's called. And it's a 2.5 millimeter tape, and I got it off of Amazon. I think Amazon or JetPens, I'm not sure. Okay. Hey, that's not bad. Okay, now this is gonna just be like a small little accent there. I like that, guys. I used the whole sheet. It's easy to use for Hobonichi Weeks. Now let me get to writing in here. I'm very excited about this because I got lots of goodies for my cozy hobbies room, and my husband is going to be helping me after work. Yeah, I know. I'm not that wife, guys. It's just he said he wants to do it on Friday after work, so I am not going to bug him about that. He volunteered with my constant suggestions, right? It's not nagging, it's just constant suggestions, right? I don't know. I don't know. Well, anyways, he said. So I'm gonna put another heart because Julio said. And then here I'm gonna do service. Got that. Okay, cool. So now for this, I don't think I'm gonna need it, but for meal prep, I know I want to do, ooh, I need another dot. Sorry guys, I'm gonna go dig into another sticker sheet. I'm gonna dig into another one because I need more bullets. Because this is for dessert. So gorditas. Gorditas, there's some sweet type of dessert that my husband really likes that I've been trying to perfect the recipe for. So I have gorditas, and now this one here would be spam musubi. I hope I'm spelling that correctly. And I like to meal prep a lot of them because, well, we both really like it, and he does use it for his deliveries for work. So can make something fresh, something like, I don't know, like a crab salad. Why not? Crab salad. Okay, and then to do, here is where I'm going to add my I think now that it's dry, I'm gonna add Sleep In. Yay. I'm gonna add hair oiling routine, casita, and self needs order. Okay, I think that works. Now, since this is blank space, I am going to add more decorative stuff, more decorative stickers. So I'm gonna add this one. Ooh, I like how that looks. Okay, that works. That works. And now this lets me know that I don't need as much space for meal prep. So maybe next time I could just add a little, because I kind of went halfways here for to do and between meal prep and to do. So I guess next time I'll just have a smaller section for meal prep and then a bigger section for to do. But I think that works, guys. I've left open Sunday because I don't know yet what I'm planning on doing Sunday afternoon after our meeting. And oh, you know what? I have done the spam musubi. I did do my hair oiling routine. I am currently doing my hair oiling routine. And I am prepping this order as well for some self-care needs. And I think that's good, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got inspiration on how to use some of my stickers that I just came out with. Definitely check out my Etsy shop. There's bundles, there's decorative stickers, there are functional stickers, there's all the goodies in my Etsy shop. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.